Okay, fellas, we have the Dewalt battery 4 amps and it's showing only one dot and the charger showing that it's full. So we will try to check what can be wrong here. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. So why it's not holding charge, I don't know. Okay, this one is not holding this. What the fuck is this? Okay. It is like it is. What we have here, empty. Okay, empty. Not empty, but not good. 4 volts. Yeah, right. Okay, 4 volts. 4, 4, 4, and 4. What the fuck and why? Okay, so basically how can it hold some charge if it's even no contact here? Okay, again, this one is dead. This one is dead. This one is not dead. This one is not dead. Okay. Okay, let's try to play this game. I will disconnect this one. Okay, and now I want to get rid of this one. And okay. Okay, let's check what we can do here. I will start from the cell shading. I have prepared the plate for this ones. I hope they will be good. Let's sand the surface a little bit. Okay. I'm double checking the cells. So this one's completely dead. This one's are good. Okay. So we have the positives up. Okay, we have the positive here. have it here, we have it. Now I want to bend this one. And I will solder this tiny wire, if I can call it like that. I will try to bend it around the plate. Okay, have bended the plate a little bit. I don't want that. I want it to be something like that to get it catching here. What can we do here more? We have the pin for it. Try to cut that pin or do something similar, but I think will be good by soldering it here. Okay, let's check how it looks. It looks nice. I love it. I hope you love it too. I want to put it. Okay. Cut it. I will bend it a little bit down. So we have one side connecting it. Now we need to get a plate with another side, and we need something to get here and here. Okay, I think I can get it with a pretty simple design here. So I will try to put this, or this one's here. This one like here. Then I can of course bend it like I want, and I don't know, somehow put it here. And so now, as I have it, I'll try to manage it to bend a little bit, and I need it to here, so I will cut it here. And what we want to do here, I think I will put a spot weld here. Oh, sorry, a little bit too powerful. Okay, but got it. It will definitely hold. Okay, now we need to get this wire in place, and I will solder it. Okay, we have it. Now you can see that our pole relays are working. That's a good first sign, and we don't have these ones here, so that's a really good sign for us. Okay, what can we do now? We can try to insert everything back together, and we will check. This wire is reset a little bit. I think it's still good. Okay, the red wire is in place, the black one holding here good. Now we can close it. And this one housing corner is bend it a little bit. Of course, you need to bend it because you need to get that toothpick in. Okay. Seems that we got some proportions. Okay, we have all the lights on. So now, okay, it's said that my charger is out of camera range here. Okay, so basically I will close it, charge it, and I think it will work. For you, thank you for watching. Don't use toothpicks for battery repair. For now, just buy.